So these boys don't jump off the boat. Getting them crabs. Yeah, we got Fishing Florida and Rick out there, man. They looking for crabs, man. We finna probably another catfish.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a fish.
Yeah, that's something good, ain't it?
Yes, sir. Come on, boy. Tighten that drag. Tighten that drag before we go around that corner. Yes, sir.
Caught.
Relax.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to On the Real Fishing, baby. Hey, man, we got some guys on the boat with me today, man. Y'all know the famous Fishing Florida, and we got Rick over there. They doing a little sabiki and trying to get some greenbacks for it. Then we're gonna hit the Beer Can Island. That's a little famous island y'all see over there. That's the hangout spot right now.
Hey, that's where you want to drop one of those shrimp.
See that? Yeah.
Where?
It's probably just past. Yeah, it's one big right there. Yeah. We might have to chum them up though.
You got chum?
Yeah, I got chum.
Twerking, baby.
Oh, you want to use it? You know what? That's good.
Yeah, that's good right there.
Yeah, y'all, we about to chum this thing up, man, and get out here for some bait, man. We're gonna show y'all how it's done. Put a little bit of water in there, not too much. Yeah, Rick pouring that cloud in there, a little bit of that cloud juice. Some on? Here we go.
Trout.
Okay, I got some too.
What's that, Rick? Trout. What you got over there, bro?
Trout too.
Doubled up on these folks.
Yes, sir. There we go. We got a speckled and a silver. There we go.
Oh, you got a silver?
Yeah.
Y'all might say I'm cheap.
That might have been a what you put on?
Tighten this drag. Nah, I already know they finna tear it up. I know they finna tear this up. That be gonna get down there ASAP. Look, already. I need that on the bottom. Already. Look at that, look like this. Yes, sir. Come on. Hit him up, bro.
Ah, shit.
Oh my God. Hit that motherfucker. Yes, sir.
Oh, you see him?
They coming up a little bit.
What is this?
This boat doesn't do barely nothing for me.
I'm here to say these for my mom. She love this. Well, my friends, we about to hit the second spot. First spot was pretty good, man. Got some, we got some greenbacks. They were sabiki, and then also, man, I got about 6-7 trout. So we're gonna head to the next spot, see if we can get on some reds or something like that.
What we got here? Snapper. Nice little pretty snapper too. Sorry, I ain't mean to let you eat it down.
A call.
Relax. All right, relax now. Not trying to hurt you now. Oh, God. No. Stop it. That nigga stuck his beak in my leg, man.
Oh, shit. It's all in his side hook.
Yeah, it's in his wing. Just relax. Boy, your beak sharp it. Oh my God. Man, that beak sharp as I don't know what, man.
Oh shit.
Goodness gracious. Just hold on, little fella.
We're doing a little bird rescue. About to cut it.
Alright, man.
He gonna make it.
Hurt, bro.
He looking like he acting.
His wing is wet. You need a jaw.
There you work.
You need a jaw. His wing is wet.
Let that tarpon
Sparking like a motherfucker.
Let me see your hee-hee. Let me see your hee-hee. Yeah. Can't get them from around the thing. They popping though.
Oh shit.
What you got? What you got? Okay. What you got? Silver trout special? Oh, snapper.
Snapper, okay. Yes, sir.
Live.
Oh shit.
You mean tell me you sitting over here, you got one on? He got one on the whole time.
What is it?
But got a,
Spot snapper. No, that's a little stuff.
oh, that's a trout. Man, that was a subtle hit by that trout.
Yeah.
I saw that, D. Oh, I see that. Get it. Get it, D.
Nice one too.
That's a nice size, whatever it is. Oh, I'm on too.
Oh.
Oh, I'm on too.
Okay. Oh, double.
Is this a white?
That's a whiting.
Wow.
Just on,
A
bro.
whiting, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I did not expect that one.
Yeah, expect
Nice one.
He
Oh,
done
yeah.
for that. Hey, he swallowed that. Oh, that.
Hey.
He swallowed that.
That's some good eating right there.
Yeah.
Whew.
You sell it. I think they sell it at Walmart now.
They do?
Yeah. They sell it at Walmart now.
I was at a restaurant and
They
starting to.
We all gonna
Look
get,
like you ain't got no long.
hey, and we're gonna have to chase him. We all gonna get paid.
He got about 50 yards on that bitch.
We all gonna get paid.
They ain't showing them. They still down. They still around. They playing with this cut bait though. There we go. Ah, come on.
Hey, that look like that might be. He might make the cut.
Might be a keepy. Might be a keepy. Maybe. So y'all snapper got to be. They got to be 10 for y'all's information. Yeah, he's a keeper. I measure by my brain, so I'm gonna say he keeper.
So you messing about what?
I just I scan it. Keeper. Actually, let me check it though. Actually, he is. No, he make it. He make it. Check. My mother-in-law, she like them, so I keep that for her.
Looking at the boat, boy. Look at all that.
Oh my God!
You had a good hook.
Oh, that was
I
it.
did, bro. No.
Oh,
Oh
damn.
my goodness, that was it.
Come on, man. Damn.
I would love to hear that cat, boy.
Whew. I should have grabbed it and claimed it for mine.
You got claws over here?
Deal with it. This, and I'll put a that's 40 right there for sure. That's 40.
I'll get back to this
This one is that's on 16. Nice size.
Hey, was that on live or cut? We could have hit that skyway today, bro. We'd have murdered. I said we could have hit that skyway today. We would have murdered out there, boy. Okay, come on in, Floyd. Oh, this is nice. Come on, Floyd. Work that thing, brother.
It's another catfish. It's fighting like a damn.
Nah, there ain't no catfish.
Fighting weird.
Yes,
Shit. Them catfish be tricking you though. Sometimes, man.
That's a small one. Small one work.
He's like, hey, you ain't. I mean, you ain't know no better back then. I said, yeah, damn, probably didn't. Stingrays, everything. Rabbits. Probably another catfish.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a fish.
Yeah, that's something good, ain't it?
Yes, sir. Come on, boy. Tighten that drag. Tighten that drag before you go around that corner. Oh my God.
Oh,
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, come on. Oh my God, boy.
yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Woo.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh yeah, got that.
What you had a little shrimp?
Shrimp.
Oh
no, lucky shrimp.
You had to cut that
Oh
on live.
shit. Oh.
Go ahead, get your little picture, Floyd.
Yes, sir. Good job.
Look at this.
Oh my God, Floyd.
There we go.
Choking too. I like that. We slap you up. I like that day right here.
Yes. I was oh shit.
What you say, we need 2 more of them?
Yeah, I need about 2 more.
He was right on.
Oh yeah, got him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fishing, boy.
Go ahead and measure him.
That feels so good.
We need to see how big he is.
Let's measure him up.
Feel good.
Yeah.
They we done had. Wow.
He's almost 28.
Shit, yeah, 25, about 26, 28.
What he is?
About 26, 28.
20. That be 28.
Oh yeah,
No,
he
he about a little bit.
he about 27 and a half.
27 and a half.
Yes, sir. That's a good eating sandwich size, y'all.
There we go. That's
Good
what I'm
eating
talking about.
sandwich size
That's
on
nice.
the first drop. The first drop, I couldn't even finish talking.
And what you was on? What you was on?
Crab.
Crab. All right, man. This is Floyd with On the Real Fishing, man. So we had a really good day, man. We was out with your boy, my friend,
Fishing Florida.
Fishing Florida.
Yes, sir. Ski.
Got Rick. All right.
What's up, y'all?
All right, yeah. So I appreciate the time, appreciate everything, man. So
Yes, sir.
y'all gonna see this. All right, On the Real Fishing, baby. Let's go.